temporary top on it so far. Those will be eventually replaced with oak. And then I'll put a second shelf with a third shelf in the middle, and then a second shelf on the side. But it's pretty good size. It's 60 by 40 inches. So it gives me plenty of room to do everything I need. But that oak will make it look a lot nicer.